Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys have had a wonderful morning. We have been dealing with a lot of things here in the crypto space, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about that. I want to give you guys my 2 cents about what's currently happening for crypto and the rest of these assets, as well as specifically talking about a pattern that I found on Ethereum's charts and why I think it's super important for the rest of the retail traders and or investors to know. Before I go into that, if you guys could do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I actually have a giveaway happening on this channel where I will be giving away a free 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs here on YouTube. So if you guys like what you just heard, you want to be supportive, or you possibly just want to win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel. Now, with what's currently going on in the market, I do think that this is just a big old shakeout before we break out. I honestly do think that. Now, I could be wrong. We could just be going through what we went through in previous price action where we just get shook out and get murdered all the way down. I necessarily don't think that that's the case, though. I do think that this is just big whales playing with their food, if you're catching my drift. I think this is manipulation to the highest degree. I don't know if it's just an entity or maybe a handful of entities working together to shake out people before we see major price increases for most of these assets. If you go to the on-chain data and even to the sentiment on and off the charts, everything was pointing upwards. Of course, there's that saying when everybody's being greedy and when euphoria is at its highest, that's when you should be fearful. I am taking that into account, but the data that is there for everybody to get a hold of and do their homework on points to higher price points. This, in my opinion, is clearly market manipulation by an individual or a handful of individuals working together to shake people out of their positions before realizing higher price points. That's my official stance about what's going on. I ultimately am not worried about it. I am thankful for the opportunity to buy more of the assets that I wanted to buy at lower price points before we go further. And if it dumps down even further, excuse me, I just kind of slurred my word there. If we go down even further, I will buy more. So thank you, whoever's doing this. If you guys are being shook out, I'm sorry. If you guys have the willpower, the fortitude to see this through and be patient, I do honestly think, in my humble opinion, that you will be rewarded. That is not financial advice. That's just me. Now that I have that out of the way, let me get into the more important part of this video that I want to share with you guys. I found a very interesting pattern happening on Ethereum's charts. Now, of course, we're on Ethereum's 4-hour time frame, and this is Bitfinex's Ethereum chart. It's a little different. I think there's something very odd right now happening. Follow my cursor right here, guys. Bitfinex's Ethereum price is $3,389. Look at Coinbase's Ethereum price, $34.73. That's a big difference. Fishy, funny things are currently happening, and hopefully you guys will recognize those things. I noticed it. I wanted to do some digging. So let me show you guys what I found on Ethereum's charts that I think will be really beneficial to a lot of you retail traders and or investors. Check this out, guys. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to show you guys what took me forever to do. This is what I have here. You see all these yellow lines or yellow arrows, I'm sorry, and white arrows? They are pointing to a specific time frame for Ethereum that dictates the price movement and has been dictating the price movement for Ethereum for some time. That time frame is 11 o'clock Central Standard Time here in the States, or for all you military buffs, 2300. I'm not joking. Every single one of the pumps and dumps have vastly taken place within the 11 o'clock Central Standard Time frame or 2300 time frame throughout the vast majority of price action for Ethereum. It's not a coincidence. Market movers, market manipulators, the whales at play are moving the market when they want to at a specific time every single time. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is if you're in a leverage position or if you're looking to get into a position, whether it be up or down, watch the 2300 time frame or 11 o'clock here Central Standard Time in the States. That is when the market moves. The first one I want to point out to you guys, this is going all the way back to May 13th, 2021. Not too long ago, but I'm sure if I went even further, it'd be the same way. But look right here, guys. Let's go to 2300 2300 is right here. That's when we saw the top. And what happened? We initiated the dump. We dumped right at 2300. We dumped 17%. That was gnarly. And then what happened again? We come up to 2300, and then those whales also eat all the shorts. They make money up and down. So they gobble you back up while you're over leveraged on your shorts and make money back up. And then they see people changing direction, and they do it all over again. Every one of these arrows point to the same time frame of 2300 on TradingView, which again is 11 o'clock Central Standard Time at night here in the States. You guys need to know that there is clearly manipulation. I say that, but at the same time, I kind of want to say, because this is all fair in love and war, guys. This isn't really manipulation. This is just honestly people who got in before you who have enough money to do what they want. It's not really manipulation, but it is whales at play manipulating or moving the market the way they want to move it for whatever reason they want to do that. And there is multiple reasons for them to do this. They could be working with exchanges and eating up fees. They could be eating up liquidations or liquidity pools in either direction. There's, institutions that hire these whales and have backhanded handshakes to move the market so that they can get into positions or maybe buy said asset at a lower price point before they realize higher price points in the future. There's a number of reasons why whales want to do this. Regardless of why, I just want to point out to you guys that the one thing that it always comes down to is that 2300 time frame on TradingView's charts, which again is 11 o'clock at night Central Standard Time here in the States. Who else is awake at that time frame in the world? Think about it. I can't come out and make accusations, but I want you to think about it, guys. Every one of these yellow ones point out to 2300, and when it gets dumped on here, boom, here 2300, boom, boom, back up. I'm telling you, it happens at 2300 on TradingView. Watch that time frame. What just recently happened for us, guys? What just recently happened for us? Guess what? That happened right here at 2300. Initiated the dump. I just want to point it out to everybody else out there in this space. There's more to this. I need to do more homework, but I wanted to make this video as quickly as possible and show it to you guys so you guys can be made aware of when the market moves. I hope you guys found this beneficial. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. You could win a 50-inch flat screen TV. I hope there's a lot of you guys that didn't get too wrecked during this movement. I really do pray that that's the case. I know a lot of people lost money. I know a lot of people are making money right now. But I want you guys to be aware of when the market moves going forward. As always, don't overextend. Realize profits when profits are there to be realized. Stay blessed. Peace.